In GXWeb, we specify a curve as a locus in terms of some parameter. Now, you can use different parameters for the same locus. Here I'm going to look at the definition of our parabola in terms of the focus and directrix as the locus of the center of a circle through the focus and tangential to the directrix. Now, if we parametrize this in terms of the radius of the circle, that gives us the parabola. But the problem is that we only get half the parabola. We can't, by changing the radius, force the circle to go to the left-hand side of the y-axis. Let's look at the resulting equations. First, the parametric equations of the curve. And we see that those are the equations for x and y, and they're expressed in terms of the focal length f and the parameter r. The equation, however, eliminates r, and we get that equation of the parabola. Now, if we wanted to see both halves of the parabola, we could use a different parametrization. So instead of parametrizing in terms of the radius of the circle, get rid of that, we could specify the angle of the center from the x-axis. We'll get that angle theta. And now if we look at the locus of the center as theta varies, we get both halves of the parabola. Now let's look at the equation that is generated here. We'll look at, first of all, at the implicit equation. Not k naught this time. It's actually going to be a new curve k1. But we see the new curve has the same implicit equation. The parametric equations, however, are quite different. They're going to be expressed in terms of the angle theta and be somewhat more complicated.